Hey guys, Dr. Gaming here, and we are going to be playing some more Bioshock. I just got done making the 5th or 6th video. Wrench liquid. When fighting the stronger, testing itself you'll need. Wait, quiet. It's your footsteps and increase damage from anything. Okay, nah. I don't need that. Where are you? Oh my god. Right into here. Ooh, medkits. I need to buy some medkits. Okay. Okay. Last off, I called Big Daddy, so I was really happy. And I'm gonna grab some more Eve. Extra nutrition, target dummy, Eve upgrade health. We're just gonna do a health upgrade. Oh no! Where you going? Where are you at? Where are you at? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where'd you go? Where'd you come from? Where'd you go? Where'd you come from? Got me do. Where'd you come from? Where'd you go? Where'd you come from? Got me do. Hey! This gives you some. I have not rescued or harvested all of this round. I can eat anything. I thought I got all of them. What does that mean? There's one more. I'm guessing it would be behind me. I don't know, I might be able to take one on, but might be over here. Produce with that link. I don't know where last one is. Probably have to be over there, but I don't really want to go. I got a health upgrade. I need more money so I can buy some more health or first aid kits. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, I see that over there. Don't I have to put my weapons all on the conveyor belt or something? Oh no. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, I need to incinerate. Can I do it right here? Yes, I can. Electric I'm gonna need. I don't really want this. I'm gonna take this because there's a lot of ice in this. Okay, 2 fewer overload tiles while hacking. Nah. And Eve hypo. Ah. I remember this. They come out and attack me. Come on. I need something else. I need a different one. F1. F1, electrify it. Hack it. 3, 2, 1. Go. Oh god, no. There you go, and then you need this. Go, boom. I think I'm just gonna go like that. Nope, I gotta go like this. So, boom. No. Oh yeah. Boom. Now I got a turret on me. F it, I said F it, die. No! Let's go, we gotta go somewhere. Nothing. No! Yes, pistol. Go, mate. Yes, I got a gun. No. 3. It's 3 now. Okay, I got 8 rounds. F it. Let's go, mate. V it, hack it. I mean, booyah. Okay. Okay. Let's just keep it like that. This makes it even better. Yeah! No. Kill him! Kill it! Hack it! I'm so nervous right now. I love you. Okay. I gotta be ready when I get out there. Go. Butcher. Right, please, there's something in it. Oh, okay, I would've cried. Oh, it's right there. Oh, it's not gonna be that easy, is it? Oh, if it is, okay. I don't know. Okay. Yes. buddy. Okay, what the heck? Can I pick it up? Oh, so much money and stuff. Oh, maybe I need that wind. Here, can I go back? Please let me go back. Ooh, can I? Heck yeah. Oh wait, do I have it? I think I have it. I'll go test it out. Do I? Yeah, sonic boom, right? Yes. Let's go see how that one works out. See if that's, I think that's what you need. No. Yeah, okay. Oh, F2. That's where the hacker went. Get the money. And now I can get in there? No. How many do I have? Shift. I have no idea. But well, I found all that money. I'm gonna go buy some ammo or something. Okay. Ooh, E, hypo. Ooh, and that. Is this all my weapons? Heck yeah! Let's just reload everything. One second, guys. I will be back. I just need to go deal with something. And I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I'm back. Distracting me. What do we got? Machine gun and pistol. This is what I was... I like about this map is there's a lot of things that you can do. There's just hey. What? Oh, I see him. Okay. Let's do some more hacking. Oh, I have 5, okay. Boom. Boom. Perfect. No. Okay. We have E. Nope, okay. No, I wasted it! Dang it. Okay, I don't think there's gonna be anything in those. Not here though. Yeah, no, everything. I only missed one, so I'm fine. Okay. I'm pretty good so far. Pretty good. I'm gonna do 2 episodes of Bioshock today, I think. Oh no, I didn't need to. Okay. Should I go? No, it's too far away. Should I? Oh no, I accidentally did that. So why did I have to cut it? Why can't you just go through normally? Oh, I'm not gonna go for that last with Daddy because I have no idea where he is. Probably all the way at the beginning, so I'm not gonna go all the way to there. What I am going to do is trying to find some. Don't know what that was for. Okay. Oh god. Oh, screw it. I'll just get drunk. Because I can. Woo. Okay. Dang it, I don't want to drink. I know, guys, if you don't, like... Before I do that, I'm gonna take a look around. No. No, I didn't even press the button yet. I want to get in there though. I don't know how. I know I can get in there, but I don't know how. Maybe there's a... I have to be able to get down there because I see all this stuff. F2. Come on. To be able to jump over something. I'll just hit the button then. Okay, they're the weak ones. Get away, motherfucker. F it, F it, I said F it, you what? Oh, get in here. See. I don't know how to get there. I don't care. I'm trying to get in here. Take that. I don't understand. There has to be a way. Come on. Oh. I'll just go. Oh my god, did you see my hand? Like, I would think you'd be able to go through here, but no. Crawl through here, but no. I don't know. Ooh. Jeez. Ooh, we're here? No. I don't care, I'm gonna try to get in there. This is just to like troll you or something? You can pick it up. Oh, come on. Your butt. What? Come on. Oh. Come on. Oh my god. Should be able to get on there. simple. I'll just go. Let's see if Atlas has to say something. Okay, well, I'm gonna end off this episode here. Hope you guys enjoyed. You guys are enjoying the series and all that. I know I haven't been uploading in a while. I was in the UP. There's a severe storm last night, so I didn't want to record just in case the power went out. Like a gas station fell on top of a bunch of cars. There's a garage fire on our street. A bunch of trees fell down. So, yeah, if you guys enjoy, like, comment down below. Make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 23 subscribers, so that's great. Like, I thank you for supporting me throughout this whole channel. 23 people like my videos. 23 or 22. Like my videos and watch them. So it's just great to know that people are out there and they like my videos. Try to subscribe. So make sure to subscribe down below and peace out.